Hey guys, come with me as we make apple chocolate dessert. This dessert combines the richness of chocolate with the natural sweetness of apple. It's just simple and absolutely delicious. Come with me as I show you step by step on how I achieve this apple chocolate dessert. Stay tuned and ensure you watch till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Keep watching. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe, and I used 2 apples which are neatly washed, taking out the seed and then cut it into small sizes for easy blending. Transfer to my blending bowl and I will blend this until it turns puree. So our apple is ready. I will take it off the blending machine, and to my apple I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'll be adding 2 eggs, medium eggs. I'll be adding a drop of vanilla essence. I will cover it up, transfer to the blending motor to mix everything together. I'll blend for just a few seconds so that everything will be mixed well. And after that, I'll be adding in 1 cup of cocoa powder. I will close it up and also blend for a few seconds for everything to be well incorporated. After that, I'll be taking it off the blending motor and I will take off the excess from the blade. Turn everything together to mix everything together. I'll go on to add ½ teaspoon of baking powder. This is optional, but just decided to add it, and I will stir so that everything will be well mixed. And to my baking pan, I'm going to grease it with oil, line it with parchment paper, and then transfer the batter into the baking pan. And after this, I'll be transferring to my oven that is being preheated at 180 degrees, and I will bake this for 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, at this point our dessert is ready, and I just take it off the oven and allow it to cool for a bit, and then I will slice it. Go ahead to serve this with any of your choice drink. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Ensure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get my notification when I drop a new video. Don't forget to share this video and tell me where you're watching from. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.